people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for a phenomenal, fantastic treat, as I always say. I am going to be showing you how to grill these beautiful corn in the husk or skin, if you will. It's super simple, absolutely easy, no special seasoning needed other than the skin. So let me take you through how I grill these corn. While you stick around, don't be shy, hit that subscribe button. Get the printable recipe on our food blog. This is the season for these beautiful corn that's in the husks, if you will, and I like to leave a lot of it on. I will take off, you just pull, okay, I like to take off the thicker outside skin, like probably about 2 layers or so, like so, and then break off this bottom here. I like to leave enough of the husks on because it really allows the corn to steam within the skin. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, the other thing I like to do with this is open it up carefully, like so. And then I just pull out some of these frills. This way it makes it easier when you get ready to eat it. Okay, so this is all ready. I'm going to close it back. How cool is that? Okay, and now what happens with this, I'm going to put it in cold water. I'm doing 3 corn today, so I already have 2 already peeled. This goes in here. Okay, so into the water, and you just flip them around a couple of times so they get soaked all over for a half an hour. Okay, beautiful people, the corn has been sitting in the water for, I would say, about an hour. Half an hour or more is perfect. I discarded the water, and then you just want to get rid of the excess. Now this goes on the grill that I preheated, but I'm using a section that is indirect heat. There you go. Cover the grill. I'm going to flip it a few times, but you do want to keep the grill closed as often as possible. Placing the corns on direct heat during the last 5 minutes of cooking, and I'm rotating it a couple of times. Okay, these corns are just about ready. I'm going to remove them. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Okay, beautiful people, look at this amazing corn. When it's cool enough to handle, you can remove the husk that remains. Beautiful, look at that. It looks amazing, so I can't wait to bite into it. No seasoning necessary. Okay guys, look at this. Oh my god. It is super sweet. This time of the year, the corn is so sweet, you really don't need any additional seasoning. So I do hope you'll take some time to try this amazingly delicious grilled corn recipe. Until next time, happy cooking!